In this video, I'll show you how to change your VSCO password. So while on the home screen, you want to press on the two lines in the top left, and then come down and press on privacy and data just below settings. From here, if you look at the bottom, you'll see the second last option. It says change my password. Press on that. And then to change your password, you need to enter your current password and then enter in your new password. Once you've done that, you simply want to press the tick in the top right, and then VSCO will ask, are you sure? And then you press the tick once again, and that changes your password. So you'll be logged out, and then you just need to log in using your new password. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.